Hello, everybody, and thank you for tuning in. Every time I was doing all those tech checks, I was, hi, Adarsh. Hi, David. Hello, people. Hi, Satyamev writes. Hello, Sweet Missy. Hi, Sharad. Hi, Falguni. Hi, Arvind Power Yoga. Manish and Anshul. Designer Blouse. Hello. Madheshia. Kashmir Kinit, Gaurav, what's funny? Regina, Vinay. Hi Vinay, how are you doing? Jayesh, Satyamev writer, that's cool. Hi. So, Rashi, I love you. My yoga buddy, my best yoga buddy. Saurabh, Swarna, David, hello. Thank you all for joining in every day, and my partner for today is here. Hi Rupesh, one of my fans who always is the first one to like every single picture of mine. तो आज मैं जिनके साथ लाइव जाने जा रही हूँ वो पायनियर हैं फिटनेस एजुकेशन की हमारी कंट्री में. She is the first woman personal trainer and she is the first woman to start a chain of gyms called Leena Mugre Fitness. उनके बारे में मैं ये बता दूं कि उनकी मॉम भी बहुत ज्यादा फिट थी, ऑलमोस्ट टिल द एज ऑफ 80. उनकी मॉम थी जिन्होंने उनको बहुत पुश किया और फिटनेस में डाला. एंड अब बाकी हम उनसे खुद सुनेंगे. तो लेट मी एड लीना. Okay, here she is. Oh, much better. Much better. See, rebooting your phone works immediately.
Yep. Hi.
You are looking amazing. Now you can place your phone down somewhere so we can start chit-chatting.
Yes.
ये अजीब सी बात नहीं है लीना, जब आप और मैं लाइव होते हैं तो कोई ना कोई गायब हो जाता है.
I swear. Last time also same thing happened, no?
Yes. So I was telling everybody about how you and I met. हम दोनों किसी लाइव पे इकट्ठे थे एंड जो मॉडरेटर हमारी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड है वो थी एंड उनको टेक्निकल इशू हुआ, वो गायब हो गई. अब लीना और मैं we've only been admiring each other on social media. हमारी कभी बात नहीं हुई थी, लेकिन हम क्योंकि अकेले रह गए चैट में, हम चैट करने लगे एंड वी रियलाइज वी बोथ हैव a soul connect because fitness is our passion for both of us. Isn't that right, Leena?
Absolutely. I think we just took over the whole chat and we were busy with ourselves. We didn't even realize whether it was live, whether it was offline, nothing.
Yes,
but
nothing.
I think fitness just brings people very close together.
Absolutely, absolutely. Fitness is such a passion कि मेरी एक पूरी दुनिया बन गई है with a bunch of friends of mine who we are so close, and from all my friends perhaps I spend the most amount of time with my fitness gang because उनके साथ तो रोजाना मिलना होता है ना, तो you become very very close with people who have
absolutely
a fitness connect.
No, I mean, and you know,
I was telling
the main
how
thing
you have 7 gyms and how your
people.
mother got you into fitness. I was telling everybody about this, and you're one of the pioneers of fitness and celebrity
Education
in our country.
Right.
I was just about to say that you are also the author of a book called Total Fitness, so which is absolutely amazing. So now over to you, Mohammed Jamil. Thank you so much.
And Madhuri Dixit launched the book and she's written the foreword. She was my first client actually. And she was
your first celebrity client. Okay.
Yes. And way back when Hum Aapke Kaun time. And that time there was no personal trainer.
So how did you get into this? How did you and Madhuri meet? Leena, your net connection is still quite bad. आप आ रहे हो और जा रहे हो.
In fitness and nutrition, and it was like you said.
आपका ना आपकी लाइन कट रही है. आप एक जगह अगर आप रख दोगे ना, because you're
I'm at one place now.
Okay, because we want to really hear this.
Yes. Okay. Afterwards, my mom, she was very instrumental in sending me to SNDT University. That is at Juhu, because she used to see in Mitibai College and all these people used to be just outside the college and not inside. So she was like, oh my God, what are you going to do and all. So she said, you become a dietitian. And that time, dietitian, oh my God. I said, what is that? I said, never mind if my mom is telling me, let me do something different. That's what was my thing of going and doing that. And then I did my master's in nutrition. And, like, I just love physical activity. I used to go by cycle everywhere. That time I had a cycle, and my friends used to go by bus. Those double decker buses and all that. And I
Lekin
used to be
tell
cycling.
us that how did you get in touch with Madhuri and how did you become her
Okay. What
trainer?
happened is when I started my academy, to train trainers, I was giving a lot of interviews to the newspapers because that time nobody knew what is fitness academy, that is to certify trainers, and that time she gave me a call and she said, can I speak to Leena Mogre? So लैंडलाइन था तभी मोबाइल नहीं आया था and I said yeah, speaking, because my number was there on the ad.
तो
And
उन्होंने
she
खुद
said,
फोन किया आपको मतलब
yeah,
पर्सनली
she said,
फोन
I
आया?
want you to come home and train me. So I
हाँ.
said, घर पे, I said, okay, let me go and see what all equipment she has. So she had little ankle, those rubber ka ankle weights jo tha,
मेरे
must
पास
be
भी है.
half a pound, 1 kilo leg weights, and she had a step because obviously she loves dancing. So we
हाँ.
did a little fitness assessment. Even that time, I paid a lot of attention to fitness assessment,
हाँ.
and from that time, I was training her for a very, very, very long time.
अच्छा.
And she was the first one in Bollywood, in fact, to have a personal trainer. She used to carry her
वाओ.
step. Yeah, she used to carry her step on location, two in one or a Walkman, and I used to give her these special step workout tapes because the music is very, very important in that.
हाँ. तो
And
उस
then
जमाने
I
में
got a lot of other first time जिन्होंने मेरे साथ train किया in Bollywood,
हाँ.
is right from Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor used to hate working out. She
हाँ.
used to hate working out. So I had to go and pick her up at her home. This was before refugee. Okay.
अच्छा.
So pick her up, take her to her office, and she used to have some barbell dumbbells a mom had bought and kept and
हाँ.
whatever I required. And used to drop her back. Because then she would say, my driver is not come, my this thing, that thing. Then even Ranbir Kapoor, okay, that time I was the CEO for Gold's Gym. I've established Gold's in India. And his parents, that is late Rishi Ji, I mean, Rishi Ji used to work out and whole gym used to know he's there. He's
वाओ.
just there. What a lively personality. And
Absolutely,
Neetu, yeah.
absolutely.
He said, just tell Ranbir to start working out. I said, okay, fine, you just send him. And purposely on that day, I just gave him a workout of 15 minutes and he was like dead. I said, see, this is what happens. And then he took up fitness seriously. Same way John Abraham.
वाओ.
John Abraham, when he was in Gladrags, started training. Okay. And he was so conscious, so conscious. Once, you won't believe this, Shiba. At a
हाँ.
signal, I was in the car, he was in the bike. He gets down, knocks on my window, and he says, listen, listen, I've just trained and come. Dekho mere abs. And the whole signal is just waiting. Is this right? Is this okay? So see, people who train, no, they're very conscious. Then
हाँ.
comes Katrina when she was over here. First time she came, her first film with Akshay. Then Deepika Padukone when she was the Kingfisher model. She used to work out at our gym. Okay, that time my gym was also just established. Okay,
Okay.
and my first gym that was at Leena Mogre's Fitness in a basement. Then Samira Reddy, that time she had to relaunch herself and she had put on a lot of weight. But she said, I'm giving you myself in your hands. And for 3 months, no media interviews, nothing, nothing, nothing at all. And she worked out, followed everything. She lost a lot of weight and she relaunched, and that was amazing. Of course, then
So,
comes Rohit
so,
Sharma, a cricketer.
oh wow.
He lost 8 kilos at our gym. That was the turning point in his career. Abhishek Nair had got him to the gym, and he lost that, and from that time he went up. So I guess I call myself lucky for people
तो
who work out
what
in
is
my
the
gym.
thing that अगर आपके पास कोई आता है एंड बोलता है कि मुझे पतला कर दो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो what is the first thing you do to such a person?
First thing is a fitness assessment. In our gym, okay, we have an assessment which is for 1 hour, which is
हाँ
just not measurements, okay.
हाँ
There is a physical and mental assessment, because what is your mental state is very important. We
ओके
used to ask people in that form whether you're a loner, whether you talk to your family, you don't talk to your family, whether
अच्छा
you feel lonely. These are such important points in losing weight that people don't understand.
नहीं, तो यू
Physical mein
मस्ट
hum log
इसमें थोड़ा
endurance.
कुछ और बताइए इसके बारे में कि मेंटल स्टेट कैसे हेल्प करता है या नहीं हेल्प करता फिटनेस को.
See, I'll tell you, mentally, if you are feeling down, low, you tend to not work out. It becomes a vicious cycle, actually. You just sit at one place, you keep watching TV, then you're watching TV, then you're eating. And main thing, you don't talk, you don't mix with people.
But what if
That's so
that
important.
person who's mentally low comes to you? What is the kind of workout that you will prescribe?
Workout, we used to give them, like right now also, group exercise, so that you push them into group exercise, whether it's
Yes.
spinning, whether it's dancing. So, you have no inhibitions over there because nobody is judging you. Some people used to, some ladies especially, even guys, they used to feel very conscious that they're overweight, because what happens, there are gyms where all the slim girls and guys really dress up and come to the gym with
Yes.
makeup and all. So they get very intimidated. They
Correct.
don't want to work out next to the person. So we used to see to it that they don't work out next to the
ठीक
person.
है. दो
Uh,
दो मैंने दो चीजें देखी हैं जब मैं जिम जाती हूँ या जाया करती थी, कि एक दो तरह के लोग होते हैं. एक तो जो बहुत ज्यादा बन ठन के आते हैं जिम में, हमको
oh
समझ
yeah,
नहीं आता कि वर्कआउट हो रहा है या टाइम पास हो रहा है.
passion.
एंड दूसरा जो एक ही बहुत ही ज्यादा अनटाइडी होते हैं जिम में, बिल्कुल ही मतलब बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं है.
I
वो टाइप के
smell.
बंदे को भी देखिए, बॉडी ओडर और यू नो over sweaty and leaving machines wet,
Yeah.
and there's two types of things which don't kind of make you want to be in that gym. वो जिम में आप जाते हो, you want really people जो focused है अपने वर्कआउट पे, but at least they're smiling at other people slightly.
See, what happens when people come to the gym, they always find their kind of cliques. Usually, all these untidy and all that, these are these young boys, not girls. Girls deck up and come. All these young boys, ek banyan pehna, ganda sa. But then we have to tell them, carry a deodorant with you. Most important, carry a deodorant. We had to actually counsel them what to eat, because what you eat, the sweat
हाँ.
smell. So we had to tell them, change the oil, change this. There are so many factors that affect the body
So the
odor.
fit professor saying untidy person may be more focused towards his workout. There's somebody saying that.
100%, 100%. I wear the oldest clothes for my workout.
Most
I'm more
comfortable, but clean.
yes, absolutely. Older the better.
ओल्डर
Like,
ओल्ड कपड़े ठीक हैं, लूज कपड़े ठीक है, बट क्लीन होने चाहिए.
yeah, absolutely. And clean socks.
Yeah, that's my pet peeve.
Because when they go to do their ab exercise, they remove the shoes and the whole gym,
Ouch, ouch.
So yeah, so personal hygiene is most important for a trainer as well as the client. Very important.
ओके, तो अब आप बताइए हम सबको कि वेट लॉस के लिए कार्डियो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है या वेट ट्रेनिंग.
Both. I get everybody asks me this question, that if you do weight training and you stop, you'll put on weight. I said, if you do any exercise and you're going to stop, you're going to put on weight, because it is like a balance sheet. What you take in, it has to be burned. And people
बेसिकली
don't
कैलोरी डेफिसिट आपको क्रिएट करना है. फिट
create
प्रोफेसर
करना.
अग्रीइंग विद यू दैट यू नीड बोथ. तो दोनों किस रेशियो में होने चाहिए, मतलब कितना कार्डियो कितना
See, it depends on the fitness assessment of the person. If the person just doesn't have any lean muscle tissue,
हाँ.
you have to do weight training first. After that, start doing your cardio. Matlab, if your one session is of 1 hour, yeah, so you come and do hit, consume your muscle glycogen, which is this thing in 30-35 minutes, and after that for 20 minutes, do your cardio. Do cardio really well.
तो कार्डियो पोस्ट या प्री वेट ट्रेनिंग के पहले कार्डियो करना चाहिए कि बाद में, और डज इट
Post.
मैटर कि आपका गोल क्या है, आपको लीन होना है कि बॉडी बिल्डिंग करनी है?
Any kind of weight training, always do it first and then goes cardio. And if you're doing only cardio, you can do that is for people who are already fit. You can do it on empty stomach. It gives you better results. But if you're not fit,
result in what way? Cardiovascular strength
fat
is about
burning.
increasing
Your
your
fat
cardio
cycle,
capacity.
yeah, your fat cycle comes into action faster. Okay,
So
why do you do cardio after weight training? Is because your muscle glycogen is utilized, and then your
Vinay,
fat
you're
cycle
absolutely
comes
correct. Vinay is saying
on
sleep.
fat.
How much sleep? He's talking about
Pardon?
sleep.
Pardon?
Vinay is a lawyer, so he's asking about your sleep cycles and fitness.
Sleep, lawyers and sleep never go together, but taking small naps is very important. They can take 10 minutes nap, they can take 15 minutes nap, which
नहीं,
power nap.
टीना, अगर मैंने रात को आज सपोजिंग 3-4 घंटे आई मैनेज टू स्लीप बिकॉज मैं लेट सोई, बट मेरा वर्कआउट आपके साथ सुबह 6 बजे है, तो ऐसे में अगर मैं आपके साथ बहुत कम स्लीप के साथ आऊँ, आप मेरे साथ क्या करेंगे?
See, what happens is most important. There are 4-5 things that you need to have in fitness. One is nutrition, flexibility, strength, aerobic capacity, and fifth is recuperation and sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. I can't emphasize the importance of your body recuperation that is needed.
नहीं, तो
Repair.
अगर मैं आपके साथ आऊँ तो आपके पास आऊँ और मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई, आप मुझे वर्कआउट करा देंगी?
I will make you do a more relaxing workout. Okay, maybe it is yoga, maybe it is power yoga. I believe you should take in all disciplines. It's not only weight training or not only cardio or not only yoga. You can do all kinds of workout and make it a fusion. I myself do a lot of fusion workouts. I just love fusion workouts.
अच्छा, मेरा क्या होता है when I feel sleep deprived myself, or Kiran ji is here and she's saying hi, it's good to see you both.
Oh, hi Kiran.
She is the one who brought us together, so thank you
Yes,
so much.
absolutely.
हम आपको
Yes,
याद कर रहे
Kiran,
थे
have
कि
you
आपने
started
हमको
doing
एक
yoga?
लाइफ में
No.
डाल के खुद गायब हो गई थी.
Yeah, tell me.
So
See, what happens-
I myself, जब कोई मेरे पास आता है या मैं खुद कम सोई होती हूँ, I prefer to just do my stretches. I will do my dynamic stretches, I will do my passive stretches, I will just listen to my body because I feel pushing myself जब मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है is the worst idea. Hi Neelam. Neelam, you're late. Neelam Sethi is my friend and she watches every single live every single day. So,
No, see,
तो मुझे ऐसा
what you
लगता है कि as trainers, hi Kiran, Kiru my love, I feel कि when we sleep less, हमको workout शायद से नहीं करना चाहिए.
intensity is low, so you can do a lot of stretches, flexibility. In fact, you can do partner stretching at that particular time. Your partner or your trainer
Yes.
can stretch you out because you can really relax. And that time you can listen to music which is more relaxing. Maybe it is Indian classical music also, which has amazing effects of relaxation.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about nutrition pre and post workout. तो exactly जिम से आने से पहले अगर मेरा गोल वेट लॉस है तो मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए, और अगर मेरा गोल बॉडी बिल्डिंग है तो मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए?
See, I'll tell you one thing. If you are a beginner, intermediate and advanced, the pre-workout
meals.
meals
Tell
are
you about cardio before or after workout again.
Yeah, cardio, if you're fit, you can do on empty stomach. Otherwise, do weight training, then cardio, because after the muscle glycogen, your fat cycle comes in action to burn the fat. So it is always good to do cardio afterwards, after your weight training, because you need all the strength and intensity for your weight training. So whether you're doing Dynabands, whether you're doing resistance training, whether you're doing body weight training, or whether you're doing dumbbells or whatever weight. See, what is heavy for you may be light for me, and what is heavy for me may be light for you. So
Obviously.
weight training is a very, very relative term. Some people
हाँ, मुझे
only
ऐसा
think
लगता है लीना
weight
एक
training.
good yardstick to know whether the weight is correct for you or not is the number of reps. If you're able to pull up to 12 to 15 reps means the weight is all right for you. But
Yeah, one
hi
rep,
Sonia
if you
Desai,
do
you're late.
if you do one rep if you do one rep max, okay, and the weight that you fail, you can't do, you
Yes.
take 20-25% lesser than that will be your rep. And if you do, say your set is of 12 reps, and if you achieve failure by say 9th or 10th rep, and
हाँ.
then those two are difficult, that is the best intensity that you can
Saida,
put in.
hello my darling. It's early morning for her in the US, but she's on.
Early morning workouts are very good, but a lot of people are not morning people.
Saida, quickly jump out and start working out while you're listening to us.
That's
Ashwini,
amazing.
personally, if I'll tell you about myself, I am not an early morning person, and I never have been. In terms of workout, it takes me time for my energy. Love you more, Kurlawala. It takes me time. Meenakshi Chaudhary, hello you. It takes me time to start peaking. So I prefer to work out say midday. मेरी एनर्जी उस टाइम सबसे हाई होती है. सो जैसे हर ट्रेनर मोस्टली बोलता है सुबह सुबह वर्कआउट खत्म करो. Is do you think that is correct?
See, I feel sometimes if you go by the clock, 4 o'clock evening is the best time for workout also, other than morning. And for me personally, I do very instinctive training. Today I did 5 o'clock morning.
Hello
Because
Anjali
that
Singh,
time my energy
I love
levels
you.
were very good. But sometimes I'd work out at 6, sometimes I work out late night. So it depends
Listen to
on
your body, है ना. आप अपना देखिए आपकी
absolutely,
एनर्जी कब पीक
absolutely.
पे है.
Yeah.
मतलब
But क्या
सुबह
होता है
सुबह मैं
जब
आधी नींद में आपके साथ बहुत हाफ हार्टेड वर्कआउट. थैंक यू मिंक्स. बहुत हाफ हार्टेड वर्कआउट करूंगी अगर मेरी एनर्जी इतनी लो है. बट क्योंकि
yeah,
आपने मुझे बोला नहीं सुबह 7 बजे ही वर्कआउट करना है तो मैं आ तो गई, पर मैंने आपको अपना 100% नहीं दिया.
right. See what happens now, basically people who have personal trainers, their life becomes very disciplined. Their entire schedule of their day surrounds the personal trainer. You know, I used to train a builder and his wife, and she said, Leena, if you see my husband's diary, every day he has written like 10 o'clock Leena, 10 o'clock Leena. People will think, ये कौन है Leena, उसकी diary खोल. So some people's life revolves around that personal training session. So automatically it gets disciplined. And then over a period of time, your body asks for exercise at that particular time. It's okay for both of us. We know what to do. We know what exercise to do. But it is people who hire trainers and they're dependent on them. Then automatically your body's discipline works around.
रीसेट हो जाती है ऑटोमेटिकली.
Absolutely. Your body rhythm,
4
your
दिन
sleep.
एनर्जी लो रहेगी, पर 5वें दिन ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी आंख खुल जाएगी एंड योर बॉडी इज यूज्ड टू दैट साइकिल. मसल मेमोरी.
Yeah, absolutely. And
तो आप
coming back
बताने
to
वाली
your,
कि सपोजिंग मेरा नंबर 1 आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक अबाउट पहले अबाउट वेट लॉस. तो अगर मेरा गोल वेट लॉस है और मैं आपके पास आई हूँ, आप मुझे प्री एंड पोस्ट क्या खाने या पीने
yeah,
देंगे?
coming back to your pre and post workout. See, pre workout you can have an apple, but if you're going to do a
Apple.
very heavy apple, that's more than enough. Okay, your stomach should not be heavy. Yeah. And otherwise, if you're going to do a very heavy workout, you can have a jacket potato, you can have a sweet potato, small boiled sweet potato.
Even if my goal is weight loss.
Even if, yeah,
Even
yeah,
if my
even
goal
if,
is weight loss.
absolutely, because pre-workout meal gives meal to your muscle. We don't want muscle breakdown. Otherwise, what happens when you keep yourself hungry, your muscle starts breaking down to give you energy. Our goal, even for weight loss, is to build lean muscle tissue. And that helps to burn fat even at rest. Your basal metabolic rate, that is the rate at which the body is burning calories at rest, goes up. So building lean muscle tissue is most important in weight loss. You know, in the first 1 month, people who do weight training and cardio and they want to lose weight, they may look bulky because you see muscle ऐसे होते हैं, building up
हाँ.
थोड़ा the muscle goes, but the fat is yet to be burnt. But muscle doesn't burn, convert into fat, and fat gets converted to muscle. That's a very
अच्छा, ऐसी
wrong
कोई चीज नहीं
concept.
होती है ना.
Yeah, absolutely. They are two chemical
तो
different
आप बोल रहे हैं
components.
कि have a small jacket potato या have a
Yeah,
banana, या have
banana is another thing
an
that you can
apple,
have.
half an apple and a little peanut butter, so it gives you your fats
Yeah,
and
yeah.
your.
You can add maple syrup little bit on it, you know, to make it little
And
tasty.
what
Put little
about
cinnamon
supplements
powder.
and ये सारी जो एक्स्ट्रा चीजें लोग लेते हैं फॉर फिटनेस, BCAA वगैरह, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं
That
जो.
is later. That is, see, you know, a lot of people they do take supplements, but unless and until you're advised by a proper dietitian stroke nutritionist to
That is
have
you.
supplements, yeah, only then have it. Not otherwise. Let the
मतलब आपके दोस्त
dietitian
ने बोल दिया कि ये
analyze the
खाया कर,
diet.
ये पिया कर, मत करिए.
See what happens ना, अरे शिवा तू क्या करती है? अच्छा मैं you take omega, oh you take amino acids, चल even I'll have. That is not the case. What may suit you is not necessarily good for
Hi
me.
Ziba, my darling, my chocolate queen is here.
So
हम
so
फिटनेस की
you have,
बातें कर रहे हैं और मेरी चॉकलेटियर इधर है. But she makes
oh
the most amazing sugar-free dark chocolate for me. So yummy, yummy.
wow. I think you should never starve yourself. That's another thing. You should
हाँ.
always, since you said chocolates, I don't have a sweet tongue. I have a sweet jaw.
Oh my
Sweet tooth
God.
and sweet
I
jaw.
miss
I
you
love
more,
sweet.
Zebu.
I
No, so
just
then,
love sweet.
Pavitra,
And then
hello, my
coming back,
darling. How are you, my godchild? You know
coming back to the post
what about
workout.
post fitness and what about
Post
during your
workout,
workout? During
yeah.
workout, can I nibble on something perhaps?
No, you can have lot of water before, during, and after workout. That is the best thing that you can do. But post workout, replace your muscle glycogen. Like I said, you don't want the muscle glycogen to break down to give you energy. So for that, again, you can have one banana. Okay, a lot of people immediately have a protein shake. That's the worst thing to do because protein, it's wasted. It gets absorbed for energy, which is
Really?
not a good.
Oh my
Yeah.
God! Listen,
So
आप
when
सबने
you're
ये
having,
सुना? हम सब ने ये सुना है कि within half an hour of your workout have your protein shake because your
protein, but
muscles.
before that, have a banana, have some carbs to replace your muscle glycogen. Then you have your protein. The
Say hello.
protein may be oh, cute. I got two cats. Two
I
cats.
have so
Hello.
many doggos.
Oh my, so cute.
हाँ. So you're saying कि
You
protein के
know.
साथ थोड़ा सा कार्ब जरूरी है.
Yes. So, and also another thing is very important in that protein.
Charming Desert Rose wants to know about fat burners. What can we have as fat
In that
burners?
protein shake, if you don't put carb, it's not going to be absorbed by your body.
Okay. तो
So
carb
little
and
bit of,
protein का combination होना चाहिए.
yes, only then it gets absorbed by the body, which is good absorption. Otherwise, it's going to go waste. And remember one thing, whether you need a protein shake is another big question mark. Again, a dietitian needs to analyze this because anything extra, whether it is protein, carbs or fat, gets stored in your body as fat if it is
No,
not
but for
utilized.
example, लीना, मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ और मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब मैं वर्कआउट करती हूँ मैं प्रोटीन कहाँ से लूँ? तो फिर
I'm veg. All my life I've been veg. So, and I've never had a protein shake. I do, even now in the gym, if it is, I do 100 pounds of leg press. I do 50 pounds of deadlifts. So, ऐसे नहीं है कि vegetarians can't get protein. We have got the best sources of protein, whether they are sprouts, whether they are tofu, whether they are combination like dal and rice, idli, dosa, all these are excellent
नहीं, पर
sources
मैं
of protein.
वर्कआउट करने के बाद मैं you are telling me have an equal source of say carbs and proteins. So instead of a protein shake, what can I go and have? which will immediately help me in my
What
fat
time
burn.
you work out? What time your workout gets over?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. It's best to have lunch. And
Have your
see
proper
that you
time.
get a good source of protein into your lunch at that particular time. So best is to have lunch. Don't have a protein shake. You're just adding calories for no reason. You can
For no
have that
rhyme or
protein shake
reason.
in the evening.
So
In the
can you
evening
answer
at
that
about
question? Some of our friends are asking us. Tell us about fat burners.
fat burners, big no, no. No. There are so many people I know who have gone into coma, who
With
have
fat burn.
died. Fat burners. Please, please do not take fat burner. You want to have a coffee, black coffee shot or something like that before your workout.
I'm putting my hand up for that. I end up having black coffee before my workout.
I
It
have
just
masala chai.
energizes me.
I have masala chai for my
Masala chai.
pre-work.
हाँ
Yeah.
भी
So don't have fat burners. Please
Maria
don't
Brown
get
Couture is
addicted and
asking
they're
us about
banned.
natural fat burners. So
Some
black
of us,
coffee
some
is
of us,
what we're saying is a natural fat burner.
pardon,
So
pardon.
soya milk, she's asking, can we have soy milk as a protein source?
Yeah, sure. But have the unsweetened one because soya doesn't taste good. So what happens? They add a lot of sugar in the ready-made one. So have an unsweetened. You can make a protein shake. You know, like the soya milk shake. Add little seeds. Flax seeds to
Omega
it.
6. Yeah.
Yeah, add little these things. You can set it also. And you can have that. Put
Make a
little
nice
almonds.
chia
Put half
seed
a
and
banana.
flaxseed
Ah,
and pudding and have that for
have
breakfast or
that,
have
or just put in a mixer, have a half a banana, put that thing and put a little
correct.
honey or molasses. Kakvi bolte hai isme. Ayurveda, kakvi, molasses. It is the this thing before sugar is made. Sugar cane ke baad aata hai process mein molasses. It has
हाँ
got loads of nutrition. If you go to
हाँ
an Ayurvedic chemist and if you ask for kakvi or molasses, you will get it there. So it is a raw form, the of sugar liquid. That is the best thing that you can have. Best thing.
And what
I
about
know.
yes, Maria is asking again. ये जो ACV आजकल सब सुबह सुबह उठ के खाली पेट लेते हैं एप्पल साइडर विनेगर how effective or ineffective is it? Have you
See,
studied about
honey,
it?
honey is a carb after all. You asked about honey,
What
right?
about apple cider vinegar? Does it
Apple,
have any fat loss
apple cider
benefits?
vinegar. See, it is the latest thing. There are a lot of studies going on. It is not a foolproof thing that okay, fine, you can kind of lose weight with it
But
and
you
all.
know, Lina, इसके बारे में एप्पल साइडर विनेगर के बारे में मैं आपको क्या बताऊंगी कि it is the worst thing you can do for your teeth. It
And acidity.
ACV it burns off your enamel. So मतलब
Absolutely.
एक तो फैट ऐसी फैट बर्नर एज सच कोई चीज नहीं होती है इट्स जस्ट अ कैलोरी इनटेक वर्सेस कैलोरी बर्न सो द डेफिसिट इज
Totally
व्हाट
right.
विल क्रिएट yeah the deficit between the two is what will create your fat loss so I feel ke anything that you're thinking is a fat burner or is going to increase my metabolism is not going to help because there is no such thing but
And it's
artificially if you're trying to
temporary.
increase your heart rate how is it going to help? It's just going to
And
make your
how are you
heart
going
do
to
extra
work
work.
out? How are you going to work out? A lot of people, they have these fat burners and they can't work out. They get palpitations. They start sweating
Exactly.
up. And
And what
after a
about green
certain
tea?
age,
People say green tea piyo patle ho jaoge. The only way you will lose weight if you have green tea is if you go to the mountains and start plucking one leaf. So all that cardio that you're doing, bending over and plucking the leaves, is the only thing that's making you. हमने पढ़ा है बहुत सारा एप्पल साइडर विनेगर के बारे में एंड देयर आर स्टडीज कॉन्स्टेंटली गोइंग ऑन बट मेरा एंड लीना जी का यह कहना ये है कि एक स्पेसिफिक चीज नहीं है जो आप बोलो कि मैं अपना पूरा डाइट एंड फिटनेस सेम रखूं लेकिन बस एप्पल साइडर विनेगर सुबह ले लेती हूँ मैं पतली हो जाऊंगी नहीं होगा ऐसा दैट्स नॉट गोना हैपन
it is a lifestyle, Shiva. What you and me follow is a lifestyle. I've been doing it for the past 30 years. It
या
is like getting up, brushing your teeth, workout.
यस
It has to be inbuilt. And once you make it your priority, because remember one thing, working out is not only for weight loss. It's for good skin, it's for good hair, it's for self-confidence, it is for a strong core, it is for a strong back, it is for positive attitude, you get full good hormones, it is to be happy, it is to increase your work output. You know, I used to get Katrina and all these people working out at the gym, even just shooting khatam hua, they have just wiped off their makeup off the face, but their body makeup is yet on and they come and work out. Why? Because they know that they can work longer hours, they can look better, because makeup can enhance your looks. It is not makeup, you know, जो cuts आते हैं, ये आते हैं, वो आते हैं, you know, all that will happen if your base is fitness.
Correct.
So make fitness your priority, rest all will follow. Weight loss है, जो है, वो है, सब, everything will follow. Even your
So,
diet, you become
I'm
little
going to
conscious.
play a quick this or that fitness edition game with you. So, are you ready?
Yeah,
Working out in a gym or working out outdoors?
both. Because in
No,
the
you
gym
have
I
to choose one. This is a this or that quiz. You have to choose
Oh.
one.
okay, gym.
हाँ, obviously gym बोलोगे खुद के इतने सारे gyms जो थे. Burpees or squats?
Burpee squats.
Um, strength training or cardio?
Strength.
Pilates or yoga?
Yoga. Pilates is
Protein shake or protein bar? Okay, her net is gone again. I have all these fun games, guys. Even you guys should answer it and start putting answers up in the scroll. I'm reading your answers. I'm looking at you all today. I can see much better. See, I'm technically getting better now. Lena has disappeared from here. So are you guys playing gym or outdoor? Give me an answer. Burpees or squats? Come on, start typing, guys. And let me try to add her again. She has disappeared. And is she back again? Not yet, not yet. We will wait for her. Thank you, Fit Professor. Squats, okay, squats, a lot of squats. Nobody wants to do burpees. Lazy people, because burpees hurt more. Yes, Kiran, outdoor and squats, perfect. The next question was strength training or cardio? Strength training or cardio? People, answer, anyone? Neither. Because Meenakshi is giving me those weird faces, that means she wants neither. Kurlawala's strength, good choice. Pilates or yoga? Hello, Lena, come back. My guest has disappeared. Cardio? Okay, cardio. Lots of cardio. Burpees, yes. Because she's my yogi teacher, she will say burpees. Obviously, she will say burpees. Ria is saying strength. Let me check if Lena's back yet. Lena, where are you, Lena? Lena has disappeared from my yoga. Of course, yoga. Rashi, तुम yoga नहीं बोलोगी तो कौन yoga बोलेगा? How do I add her? Add her. I need to add her. मुझे दिख ही नहीं रही है वो, तो मैं ऐड कैसे करूं? हेलो चार्ली टू डेल्टा, मैं कहाँ से ऐड करूं उनको? कहाँ है? ये रही ऐड. ओके, थैंक्स सर, थैंक्स. Kiru, I am Inamdar. Thank you so much for saying that. That is so nice to hear. This game is still going to go on. You disappeared. I started playing the games with all my friends who are online. So up till now, squats are winning because all these lazy people don't want to do burpees. And of course, Pilates में से and yoga में से yoga is winning. So we were at
yoga. You know, Pilates is part of yoga. It is derived from yoga.
Of course,
Pilates, Iyengar yoga से Pilates बनाया है. Joseph Pilates ने.
Exactly. Okay, so protein shake or protein bar?
Protein shake or
Protein bar. Hi, Punni.
Protein bar. Chocolate flavored protein bar.
Protein bar, yes. Jump rope or jumping jacks?
Jumping jacks.
Dumbbells or kettlebells? No, you have to
Dumbbell.
choose one, Kiran. What none? What Maria none? You have
Dumbbell.
to
Dumbbell.
choose. Minashi, you have to
Dumbbell.
choose. It's a choice.
Dumbbell.
Thank you, Vincenzi. He's a fabulous personal trainer. I heard yesterday from Varda. He's here with us. Protein bars. Yes, protein bars are winning. Jump rope or jumping jack, guys. Dumbbell or kettlebells. What did you say, Lina?
Dumbbells.
Dumbbells. CrossFit or boxing?
Cross training, because CrossFit is not meant for everybody. You can get a lot of injuries. So until and unless you have a qualified, certified CrossFit trainer, please don't do CrossFit. Don't get enamored by it.
Okay, charming desert rose, we are going to tell you anti-aging tips shortly, but we finished playing this game. In the meanwhile, you guys keep answering my questions. Group workout or solo workout?
Drink a lot of water, have flax seeds, have the seeds possible. Of course, you have to take in externally. Okay, how you do doggy, you wash them and everything. Same way, you have to cleanse, you have to moisturize, you have to use a sunscreen. My favorite this thing is sunscreen is this. It's over in the lockdown. I couldn't get this brand La Shield. Okay, so
I can
sunscreen.
see it. Can you show it again? What was your sunscreen?
It's an excellent sunscreen, little tinted. I hope my chemist can get it now. You know, so
La
this
Shield,
one.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so
yeah.
we were at group or solo classes. What do you prefer?
This is very difficult, actually. I am a qualified group exercise instructor, actually. So group exercise.
मेरे लिए भी एक्चुअली ना ग्रुप क्यों मुझे मजा आता है बिकॉज उसमें ना मैं कंबाइंड एनर्जी से मुझे बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी मिलती है. अकेले आई विल प्रोबेबली अगर मुझे 15 का सेट करना है मैं 12 में शायद छोड़ दूं, पर मेरे साथ कोई होगा ग्रुप में तो आई फिनिश माई सेट प्रॉपरली. यू नो आई विल पुश माई सेल्फ एक्स्ट्रा बिकॉज आई एम looking at that person saying, oh, it's a race, oh, it's a competition, let's go for it.
Yeah, this person hasn't given up and I can't.
Yeah, I can't. I have to do my plank more than her. I will not give up. मेरा 1 second ज़्यादा होना चाहिए.
I know,
also,
absolutely.
I feel if you in a mentally in a little depressed state, a group class gives amazing energy. Huh?
Oh yeah,
The
because
combined energy of humans.
Absolutely. क्योंकि हम लोग है ना, we are in a completely different atmosphere, completely different people who are not connected with you. So your topics are different, everything is different. So it's amazing.
कभी-कभी when you want very fast results, then I will go to you for a one-on-one. Or somebody wants to learn specific yoga का handstand या कुछ, I will say कि one-on-one कर लो because आपका progression थोड़ा faster होगा. Okay, Lena has disappeared again. So can you guys play with me? Please continue and play. We were at CrossFit or boxing. Most of you said boxing. Group or solo? Most of you said solo. Weirdly, I'm the only one who's a groupie, is it? I need to add her again. Then I'm on. I still have my next question. I have to add her again. Okay, I figured this one out. Yay. Yay, I feel so clever. But I can't see her now. I don't feel clever anymore. I can't see her. Ab kaise? Solo to avoid distraction? Really? I need to be distracted a little bit because I get tired. So थोड़ा distraction तो चाहिए. मैं solo करती हूँ तो पता है distract करने के लिए then I start looking at my phone. I can't see my fitness professor anymore. Virendra, I'm very well, thank you. Meenakshi, what's so funny? Why is your husband jealous of me, Sophia? What did I do? Because you love me, perhaps? Is that the reason? Oh, you get focused during workout. That's a good thing. That's the whole idea. Okay, so should I continue? बहुत खुश होते हो तुम. Ooh, how sweet. Thank you, Sophia. That's so cute. Hi, Prabha Karan. Hi. Hi, Madhvi. Can I see if Leena's back again? Let's see if you can answer a few questions for us. Um, this is such a bummer. ये जो internet connection होती है कल पहले 10 मिनट में I'm your favorite Madhvi. Thank you. I'm so touched to hear that. पहले 10 मिनट में मेरा वो इंटरनेट गया तो मेरा मूड तो बहुत खराब हो गया. वीरेंद्र, that's so sweet. Thank you. Sophia's husband heard me. Yay. Pooja, hi. Abdul, hi. Ritik, hi. Abhijit, hello. Do I have Leena back? I don't have Leena here yet. So you guys play with me. Let's continue. Do you prefer rowing or do you prefer treadmill? Answer. I'm waiting. Ritik, thank you so much. That is so sweet. Pyar Ka Saya. Oh, the songs are amazing. And Suryavanshi is, of course, really good, Madhvi. Thanks. Let me check. Is she back? I can go live with her. I need Leena Mowbray. Leena. Hey, Leena. Where are you? You know what? She's disappeared. I have wonderful lives coming up for you guys every evening. I love you too, Amit. Thank you. Rupesh was busy. You're back. Good. I'm happy to have you back. Hi, Danish. I'm so happy you comment on every post of mine. Salil. Hi. I'm going to run out of live time because Leena's net connection, my time has passed. I'm going to be here every day at 6 o'clock. Thank you, Prabhakar. I love you guys. Hi, Saina. I'm going to be here every single day at 6 p.m. with lots of fitness, lots of beauty, wellness, meditation, lifestyle, filmy gupshup. And I'm going to have so much chit chat with you. And let's be here together. Next month, I have a really surprise thing going to happen where you guys are going to work out with us every evening. Mingxi, I love you more. Oh, my lips are sweet. Thank you. I feel so nice to hear that. My life partner has disappeared. Fit Professor, thank you for your lovely questions and you were very insightful. Neelam Sethi, I love you too. Madhvi Gupta, thank you so much. Ayush, thank you. Hi, Virendra. Sajid. Neelam, thank you. Sophia, you join when you don't have yoga class at 6. Okay. Okay. You're very welcome. Love you too. Stay safe. Vincent, you have to teach me something. We have to work out together. Leena is here. Let's say bye to her together. Here she is. Here she is. Sarfaraz, Rizwan, Gulabo. She just called me Gulabo. Daily live, 6 p.m. Yes. Until when you don't get bored of me, I'm coming daily live.
Yeah, here I am again.
My game wasn't over.
Oh, it's over. Okay, fine. Bye. Love you all.
Any last good, interesting words for us? Any secret of fitness?
Bye. Any tip? Make fitness your lifestyle and be happy and be fit. Make fitness your lifestyle. That's it.
Amazing.
Okay, see you.
See you, everybody. I am going to give you guys a lot more tips and secrets every single day at 6 p.m. Please join me. Charming Desert Rose, my lipstick shade. Okay, here it is. I got it for you. Yikes. That's my lipstick shade for people who are asking. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? This is the one I'm wearing right now. Here you go. Somehow I thought you were going to ask. Here you go. So, Fit Professor, yes, you gave us a lot of good questions. Thank you for that. And see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Love you all. And I love all my friends and my yoga partners for joining me.